Want to change your Amazon password quickly and keep your account secure? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Amazon app on your phone. Once it opens, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on your account. Now scroll down a little until you find Login and Security, then tap on it. Here, you'll see different account security options. Look for the password section and tap on the Edit button next to it. Now enter your current password in the first box. After that, type your new password in the second box and re-enter it if Amazon asks for confirmation. Once everything looks good, tap on Save Changes. And that's it. Your Amazon password will be updated successfully. It's always a good idea to change your password regularly to keep your account safe and secure. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.